Hey writers, today we are going to be talking about dialogue again. Dialogue is the exact words that a character says in a story. So we can have dialogue at the beginning of our sentence, like this one, I baked some cookies, said mom, or at the end of our sentence, like this first one, she whispered, don't wake the baby. So I want you to watch as I write some of these sentences, and I want you to pay close attention to where my punctuation is at. Okay, so to begin with, these two little marks are called quotation marks, and in each sentence you will have two sets of those. This is a comma, these are periods, this is a question mark, and an exclamation point. Okay, so I want you to watch as I write some of these sentences. Okay, so let's start with if the quotation marks were at the beginning of the sentence, or the dialogue was at the beginning. Okay, so if I am saying, can I have 2 cookies? I asked. Okay, so let's see where our marks go. Okay, so we're going to have a set of quotation marks at the beginning, because that is what I am actually saying. Then we're going to have one at the end of what I'm saying. And I'm asking a question, so I need to add a question mark in there. And then I need a period at the end. Okay, let's do another one. If I said, I baked some cookies, said mom. Mom is saying, I baked some cookies. So we need quotation marks at the beginning, at the end of what mom is saying. We're going to put a comma after cookies, and then a period at the end. Okay, so this is if the dialogue was at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, so let's try some more, this time with the dialogue at the end of the sentence. Okay, so what they're actually saying is at the end. So if I said, she whispered, don't wake the baby. Okay, so she whispered, and then we're going to put our comma right after she whispered. And then what did she actually say? She said, don't wake the baby. So we're going to put quotations around here. We're going to put quotations around here. And then we need a period after baby. Okay, let's do another one. If I said, I asked, can I hold the baby? Okay, so I asked, comma, and then I actually said, can I hold the baby? So I'm going to put a quotation mark here at the very end, and then I'm asking a question. So I need to put a question mark right before the quotation marks after baby. Okay, so today your job is going to be to go to Kickstand, and you need to decide which sentence is the correct punctuation for the dialogue sentences. Okay, so there's a few different options. Choose the one where the punctuation is correct. And then I want you to go back in your writing from yesterday, and I want you to fix your punctuation where you added dialogue. Okay, have a good day.